Good evening to all of you.
Graduates, parents and relatives of graduates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to begin the function. I request all those present in the hall to please switch off or mute your mobile phones.
Those present in the hall are requested to please rise for the academic procession.
I declare the 65th annual convocation of XLRI open. Let's begin with an invocation.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
We now request our director, Father Paul Fernandes, to present a bouquet to our chairman, Mr. T.V. Narendran.
I now call upon Father Paul Fernandez, the director, to present his report and to say a few words about the Sir Jehangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace.
Greetings to all from XLRI. Greetings, Mr. T.V. Narendran, CEO and MD Tata Steel, President CII, Chairman, Board of Governors, XLRI. My dear board members, greetings to you. Greetings, Mr. Sandeep Kataria, Global CEO, Bata Corporation, Chief Guest for Convocation 2021, recipient Sir Jehangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace, Excel Alumni Batch 1993. Greetings, Deans, Faculty, Graduating Batch, parents, distinguished guests, staff, press and media, students, greetings to all. Dear friends, let us stand for a moment to pay our respects to Father Abraham S.J. in prayer and in silence, praying for the repose of his soul. May God grant him eternal life and rest. Please be seated. We are gathered here to count the blessings, to give thanks, to congratulate you on your success, to celebrate with you, my dear students. You are the graduating batch of 2021. Our congratulations to all of you. XLRI is grateful to Father Christy, the former director, who accompanied you, the batch of 2021, on your journey through XLRI. We place on record our thanks and we wish him well for his next assignment in Rome. Also, along with him, we thank all who retired from their service to XLRI, Father Ozzy, Professor Pranabej, and others, to mention a few: Sandra, Prabha, Lazarus, Manima, and to all of you, our sincere thanks. We congratulate our chairman, Mr. T.V. Narendran, as he has taken over as the president of CII. We are proud of you. There is a clue in this too, for the graduating batch of 2021 and for all excellers to rise higher globally as responsible leaders. Search for it. We thank you for all your services and constant support for XLRI to rise higher. As you know, under your leadership, Tata Steel became the biggest supplier of oxygen to different states during India's worst crisis. We thank you for your humanitarian outreach to save lives. My dear students, you navigated through XLRI successfully. I'm going to take a walk with you in the nature of XLRI and take you along with me, walk you through some secret places of XLRI and leave you there to explore more beauty and wonder and see how beautiful this XLRI is and this moment is. This moment, it contains mysteriously the next moment. It is always there so long as you are there, just that you did not see it coming. The next moment is always a thought arising in your heart, in your soul, a spiritual moment that connects you to us and to others in love, and connects us to you in mysterious ways. The next moment is a profound thought coming from the heavens, from God, Creator and Lord of us all, and of all things, to the earth, itself a creation, a magnificent thought, a word who is the beginning of all, giving life to all, worthy of contemplation, time, and memory, of all that is and will be, a thought of where we want to be as leaders and persons, a heaven awaited, not made by human hands. The next moment, we are that thought, a word that wants to be where God is, forever springing up in our soul. We long to be where God is, our belongingness complete. In that word, we move from earth to heaven. Oh, what delightful delights fill our very soul, for we are fulfilled in every way. I will now speak to you the next moment of the previous year, now before your eyes. Keep in your minds the next moment, the memories of the next moment. Let the fire of the next moment keep burning in your hearts. We celebrate you, all of you who are the batch of 2021. God be praised, you are God's gift to us. Truth be told, you proved yourself to be brilliant. We thank God for you. We thank you. We welcome our chief guest today, Mr. Sandeep Kataria, to the 65th convocation of XLRI for the graduating batch 2021. He is the distinguished alumnus of XLRI who was the gold medalist of PGDBM 1993 batch, first Indian to be the global CEO of Bata Corporation. We thank you for accepting the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace and for being our chief guest. There is a clue for you. The graduating batch 2021. Find it. We welcome him to the XLRI board. Thank you. We are glad that Ms. Rekha Menon has been appointed as the first woman chairperson of NASSCOM. She is the distinguished alumnus of XLRI and board member. There's a clue in this for all the women graduates who want to make XLRI proud. Go get it. This is the happy news. Our thanks to the placement committee, BM and HRM, for the good job they have done. You made everyone smile brightly. Our congratulations to you all for the job well done. Our thanks to placement committees, student committees, all who helped you to do well. Our thanks to you. Our congratulations to Shrey Bhala and to Dr. Nadeem Ahmed. You make us proud by your writing. Our congratulations to Pradhan, Nisha, Randir, Sweta, Anushka, Akash, Rohan, Gangeshwar, and to many others who win competitions and make us proud. You make us feel great. XLRI is ever grateful for your service, Professor Tas Vijayaraghavan, Professor H.K. Pradhan, and Mr. Bijay Mahathir. We rejoice with you today. Our congratulations to you. To serve with love makes you part of the Jesuit tradition and family. We congratulate you and appreciate your commitment and service. Professor Saumendra Bagchi, Professor Smithu Malhotra, Professor Rajiv Mishra, Mr. Hardeep Singh Sidhu, Praveen K. Sandilya, Ms. Binsi Vinod, Dr. Debashish Kumar. We appreciate your commitment and service. To serve with love makes you part of the Jesuit family and tradition. We congratulate you, Ihan Bansal and Dhawal Shah. You are part of us as alumnus. You make us proud. May there be many more from excellers to follow your way. May your tribe increase. Visit us, speak to us, keep in touch with us, show us how we can also, to our students, how they can be people who grow unicorns. We are proud of our alumni president, Mr. Rana, and also presidents of alumni chapters, and the latest of them being Excel for Women, Excel for W. We are grateful to all of them because you keep the brand XLRI flag flying high. We congratulate Sudeep Mall, Otim Dai, Ashish Mittal, Tanya Naik, Ramya S. Sharma, Manish Kaira, Angira Agarwal. You make us happy. Keep in touch. May your tribe increase. Stay in touch. Keep the Excel brand flying high. Thank you to all alumni, many others who achieved and contributed in many ways to various causes through XLRI in the past year. Now, there are many things to share, and they are all shared in the Convocation Report 2021. You will find there many facts, many achievements, many names, and many memories, and so on. To all of you, my thanks. I'd like to say a few words about XLRI in general. XLRI, you know, is a force, a power for the greater good in the world. What I believe is that many of you are path makers. Many of you are path finders. Many of you navigate through life. As pathfinders, you find a path through all that life brings and offers. As path makers, you make your own path. And to navigate, you need a right compass. There are ways in which you step forward, move forward. Join us always, keep in touch. Together, we make Excel a force for the greater good in the world. This is how XLRI builds India. This is how we build India. This is our space. This is our mission. This is how XLRI creates a new world. The key is knowledge. And you know, knowledge is power. We love knowledge, inspiring knowledge. Knowledge is our path. Inspiring knowledge, enlightening knowledge, true knowledge, just knowledge, that knowledge that enables us to love God and neighbor, that knowledge that brings hope to a hope-lost, despairing world, that knowledge which is the light that dispels the darkness of this world and brings light to it, that knowledge that brings about reconciliation, that knowledge which is the dawn of a new era from on high. This is how we at Excel shall build future India. This is how we shall create and make the world a new and just world, always with love. We thank our board members and all the committees, board committees, for their selfless continued service to XLRI. We thank our deans. Of course, those two words are too simple. They do all the work. One dean does the academic part of the work from A to Z almost, and the other dean does all the administrative part of the work. And that makes my job easy, assisted by all the other deans, associate deans and assistant deans, and area chairs and other committee chairs. To all of you, our sincere thanks. We remember all of you fondly. Together, you are ever ready, and we are a great team, and we work for the greater good of the Institute and the world to make it new. We create the world ahead of us, the future world. Thank you. We thank our XLRI staff for showing extraordinary service and devotion to the Institute in the ordinary everyday life and work. We thank all of them. They are not here, they may be outside watching. To all of you, our sincere thanks. You keep the place ever ready for life and work. Thank you. We thank all the student committees for keeping student life vibrant, impactful, delightful, joyful, full of life and energy. Keep this going, keep in touch. We thank you for making our life better in many ways. Thank you. We love you all. All the student committees are there. We thank you. It's important for you to know how XLRI builds India and creates a new world. But it is also a warning to all of us to be humble, for this is a huge mission, not an easy one, to have knowledge that we seek to have. The challenge is too great. The price is too high, too precious, just as life is precious. Recently, we all shared a crisis, breathing crisis, and life was taken away. And then you heard another cry, some cried out, "I can't breathe." And some others cried out, "There is no oxygen." And there was one who made a simple request, "I need a sipper to drink water." An 84-year-old man with no crime but punished, and the whole of India or the world could not do anything to change hearts and minds, so that a simple sipper could be given to an 84-year-old man. So it's not easy when we say knowledge is what is our path to building India. And many other stories that you have heard. Many have gone hungry. Many lost the battle against COVID-19 because they lacked the basic life support they needed in time when they needed most. We remember them all today. It will make our celebration and your graduation celebration more genuine and true when we remember those whom we have lost, our loved ones, and others whom we know. What good it is to us if we have all knowledge but not love. Let's not be afraid. We pray for all. We pray that the Almighty may fill us with love beyond all telling, give us knowledge and strength, resolve and joy to continue to live our lives in peace, rebuilding India better, reclaiming our soul, our space, our way, the XLRI way. God bless you and thank you. Let me say a few words about the medal we are deeply honored to present and confer on Mr. Sandeep Kataria. The Medal for Outstanding Contribution to Industrial and Social Peace is named in honor of the late Sir Jahangir Gandhi, the first chairman of the Board of Governors of XLRI and Director, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, and it is presented annually by XLRI. Harmonious industrial relations is critical for the survival of a company. XLRI, globally known for personnel management and industrial relations, instituted this medal for upholding industrial peace in 1965. Post-liberalization, since the focus was also on social peace, it was renamed as Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace in 2001. Peace here means social development, personal development, moral development, economic development, social welfare, and progress. I'm happy to announce that this year's medal is given to Mr. Sandeep Kataria. Thank you.
Thank you, Father Paul. I now request Professor Pitabas Mohanty to read the citation for the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace.
XLRI, Javier School of Management, Jamshedpur, proudly presents Sri Sandeep Kataria, the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace. Citation. an iconic business leader whose commitment and dedication earned him the distinction of being the first Indian in Bata's 126 years history to be made its global CEO. A creative visionary acclaimed for over 25 years for his discerning insight and leadership across top businesses and powerhouse brands. An innovative and transformational leader who contemporized brand image, strategy, and technology in a volatile and disruptive environment, Sri Sandeep Kataria. Spurred growth with daring initiatives, Taco Bell, and engineered brand transformation, HUL and Bata, reached out to the unreached and spurred inclusive growth with pocket-friendly products and customized digitally assisted made-to-order footwear. Created new benchmark for competition with insight-driven advertising and ingenious marketing campaigns. Vodafone, surprisingly Bata. Introduced efficient and innovative channels of distribution, store on wheels, sector markets, multi-brand outlets. Created runaway success through caring and inclusive enterprise and reimaging client engagement. In appreciation of his exceptional leadership and drive, his sound market perception and strategic finesse, as well as to champion our gold medalist of 1993 batch XLRI, is privileged to present the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace to Sri Sandeep Kataria. Given at the 65th convocation, this 72nd year of the founding of XLRI Jamshedpur. P. Christie, S.J., Director, T.V. Narendran, Chairman, Board of Governors.
Congratulations to you, Sandeep, for accepting the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace. To give his convocation address.
Thank you, Mr. Narendran, Father Paul Fernandez, Dr. Ashish Pani, Father Donald De Silva, the Board of Governors, faculty members, parents, and of course, the students of the batch of 2021, for inviting me today to address you all. I'm truly humbled and feel especially privileged to accept the Sir Jahangir Gandhi Medal for Industrial and Social Peace. I thank you all for recognizing me today and bestowing on me this great honor. While any recognition is a privilege, one received from the alma mater is truly special. I'm told I'm the first alumni to be bestowed this honor, and while I humbly accept this esteemed medal, I'm absolutely sure there are many more deserving alumni members, and we will be seeing more familiar names on this list in the near future. To the batch of 2021, a hearty congratulations as you graduate from this prestigious institution. Despite the pandemic-induced challenges, I'm sure through your hard work and creativity, along with ample help from the faculty members, you have grown tremendously and are ready to take on the new normal of this volatile world. I would have loved to get a chance to visit the best management school in India and meet you all in person, spend some time at the JLT, probably catch another chai at Dadu's. But the extraordinary circumstances of the last 15 months means we have to leave that for another day. But it does have a silver lining. It allows me to be with you today and with my son tomorrow as he celebrates his 18th birthday. It's actually been a tough few weeks trying to decide what to talk to you about. Truth be told, I have never attended a convocation ceremony. Unlike some of the more famous leaders that we've heard from, my excuse is not that I dropped out of college. and had no convocation to attend, it is in fact much more mundane and makes up my first advice to you, not to take yourself too seriously. I had started working, and 3 weeks into my working career with Hindustan Lever, I had made up my mind that the 35,000 crore Hindustan Lever would collapse if I took a week off. Since I didn't attend the convocation, I asked my batch of Excel 93 to help out with what was expected of me. So I've proudly crowdsourced this small speech for you. Their first suggestion was to share what has shaped me. I have distilled this into 3 fundamental truths that have helped me through my career. The first one. Ken Blanchard once said, "None of us is as smart as all of us." Now, no matter how smart one may be, we all need the perspective, the experience, the learnings that the whole team, the full team can bring to ensure that we have reached the best solution possible. As you step out with the tremendous education that XLRI has given you, you will have the privilege to work in large institutions, large organizations with plenty of smart people. In the beginning of your careers, you may feel intimidated with all the seniors around you. Remember to speak up and be heard, as you will no doubt add a useful perspective and enrich the discussion. Do not let the large organization overwhelm you. Never let the small voice in your head hold you back. As you grow and get to lead teams, sometimes very large teams, you will be called to take the final decision often. But again, remember to pause, listen, and learn from the whole team before you decide. Do not mistake this as my advising you to take the popular choice. Leadership is anything but doing the popular thing. It is about doing the right thing and taking the people along. When I joined Hindustan Lever after strenuous training, I was put in charge of a direct team of about 20 sales colleagues and was responsible for the livelihood of over 1,000 people. I was understandably nervous, but as one of my mentors coached me, don't put the pressure on yourself to come up with the right answers all the time. But do remember to always ask the right questions of your team. Because remember that none of us is as smart as all of us. The second truth that I want to share with you today is what has helped me stay the course. This is a verse from the Bhagavad Gita, and I quote, Karmanyavadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Lord Krishna is talking to Arjun while he dithers and questions the end results of his going to battle with his own brothers and senior members of his family. Lord Krishna explains, to work you have the right, but not to the fruits thereof. It is your responsibility to do your karma without worrying about the results thereof. Simply put, all that we can do is put in the very best and then trust the universe to work things out for us. As long as you have given your best, and if you know that you just possibly could not have done anything more, you will never be miserable about any loss or miss, nor will you be carried away by any successes that I'm sure you will encounter. Let me tell you a story from my own experience. When I crossed continents to lead Pizza Hut UK about 10 years ago, I expected that the role would be as fulfilling as my experience with Pizza Hut India. However, I was surprised to be working in an extremely foreign and unwelcoming environment as I went to the UK. My boss had changed mid-move and I was struggling to adapt to his expectations. Yet I knew I was giving it my all. I thought if I tried my best, the fruits would present themselves and the stars would somehow align. About a year later, when I had to return to my old job in India, I was quite heartbroken and could not understand why this had happened. Fast forward 2 years and I had accepted an offer with Vodafone UK. Little did I know that my flailing period in my role at Pizza Hut UK, I had unknowingly gained an understanding and a skill set to work fluidly with a diverse set of people across Europe. I know for a fact that if I had not gone through the struggling phase of Pizza Hut UK, I would not have succeeded at Vodafone. This experience really cemented what forms one of my 3 core truths. You have the right to work. The results are beyond control. Believe in the fact that things will work themselves out. I can promise you all one thing, besides of course promising you great Bata shoes. There are going to be ups and downs in your careers. There will be a Pizza Hut UK for you, even as there will be a Vodafone following that. Just remember that the results are out of your control. If you fail, make sure it is not due to a lack of effort. Just as surely as you will have the highs and your wins, you will have the misses and the lows. Remember to take both in your stride, keeping your eyes on doing what is the best that you can without a sense of victimization or entitlement. For every Pizza Hut, there will be a Vodafone, I promise. The third truth drives my interaction with others, especially the ones that I may not enjoy working with so much. Hate is love without facts. This is from a book by Richard Bach that I read when I was a teenager, but it has stayed with me since then. At work, as in life, it helps to keep the strong emotions in check. When working with colleagues, there will be moments that will leave you boiling and frustrated. So drink a glass of water, take 3 deep breaths, count till 10, whatever works for you. And then decide how you want to react. First think what could be possibly driving the actions of the other person before you dismiss them. In short, learn to empathize. You will find understanding the drivers of another person's behavior will very often open up a new way to approach the relationship and find new solutions in your workplace as in your life. After Vodafone, I got the opportunity to lead Bata India. I was brought in to jumpstart the growth of the company, which had been plateauing a bit. On joining, I was surprised to find a group of people which seemed to be extremely satisfied with the performance and sales. I was a little puzzled and appalled. There was a clear disconnect here between what I had been told my mission was and what the team thought. This would not work. Thankfully, before I went out and sacked a lot of people, I realized the reason that this was happening. I understood the facts. Less than 10 years ago, Bata was a loss-making company on the brink of bankruptcy. These people had every right to be satisfied with what they had achieved in these years in Bata India. While I had been shocked to realize the team at Bata India were happy to be gliding along, I hadn't realized the aircraft was stalling before. It was only then, after I empathized and acknowledged their blood, the sweat and tears that had gone into it, could I work with them to make sure that we took off. So those are my 3 truths that have guided my way as I have gone through the last 30 years of my life. Now, I turn to give you some piece of advice as you strive to step out in this new world, and hopefully something which is useful in your careers. I believe you are graduating at an amazing moment in time for the global economy and especially India. I'm not referring just to the last 15 months of the epidemic or the pandemic, which has impacted almost all of us. Yes, there are worries will still continue about the pandemic, which is probably the most significant event of our lifetimes. It has managed to touch everyone in a very personal way and unarguably pushed the world's economy back probably 5 years. But with the innovativeness and the ingenuity of the human race that has been displayed over these last 15 months, I am confident we will soon have the medical worries behind us. So when I look at the future, I look with optimism. I'm referring to the inevitable rise of the new order, a new normal, an opportunity to recast many of the notions that we have taken for granted over the last 30 years and provide opportunity like never before. Combined with the continuing changes in the geopolitical map of the world and the triple disruption of technology, global warming, and global networking that have been gathering pace over the last decade, we will see significant changes in the workplace within your career spans. India, with its democracy, with its demographics, and the famed Indian resilience of Jugaad, as we put it, all Indians will be in a great position to gain from these changes. Much has been said about this topic, and I believe the recent happenings have only cemented it further, not diminished it in any way. So as you step out to work, be ready to seize the new opportunities as they come your way. Be ready to pivot and learn new skills. Be ready to take a leap of faith and form new partnerships. Be ready to trust your instinct and move forward. From my point of view, 3 critical abilities will be needed to thrive in the next 30 years, and let me share them with you. The first is curiosity. Test your wings and explore. Travel the small places and the big places. Do the grind, walk the streets, look under the stones. The acceleration will bring about new tools, new jobs and roles, indeed new wealth creators and societal requirements. How we continue to learn, how we continue to be curious and find new ways to doing things will decide how successful we are. Number 2, we will need more leaders and less managers in the near future. In the definition that I choose to use for leaders and managers, this is as offered by John Cotton. The central function of management is to provide order and consistency to organizations, whereas leadership is to produce change and movement. Management is really about managing complexity, of handling the complex resources, people, etc. that happen in every organization, while leadership is really about coping with change. With the acceleration of change that is imminent, the more leadership traits you show, the greater you will thrive, the further you will go. Number 3, try and be a javelin, not an arrow. Be the javelin thrower, not the archer. A javelin goes much further than the arrow shot at the target in a range. Shoot for the moon. Set yourself stretch targets. So even if you fail as the javelin, you will have reached much further than the arrow ever does in the range. Even if it gets more and more accurate. but it is always bound to only go that far. So be the javelin and shoot for the moon. The definition of success for each one of us will be different. Becoming a CEO cannot be your only goal. Many among you will choose a different path. Indeed, become teachers and coaches and entrepreneurs and writers and passionate social workers and world changers, as I have seen many in my own batch of 130 graduate to become. Experiment and celebrate and find your own purpose. But I hope you will find what I have covered relevant to you in whichever route that you take. XLRI gave me a lot, and this is my last piece of advice for you. The skills and tools to succeed at work taught me the ability to question without threat, to stay humble and lead without entitlement. It even gave me my life partner. But most importantly, it gave me the camaraderie of 130 batchmates who have walked together since. It may or may not feel the same for you today, but I can assure you that all 360 of you will stick together for the rest of your lives. Your friends will walk with you and stand up for you and pick you up when you're down. You may get busy for the next 10, 15 years and may not have the time for each other, but you will all be back together. The special XL bond will always stay with you. So cherish it, my friends. With that, I would like to congratulate you once again and welcome you to the other side as you enter into this exciting phase of your lives. So good luck, Godspeed, and stay curious.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. The students, I'm sure, have learned extremely valuable lessons today. May I now call upon Dr. Ashish Pani, Dean Academics, to present the recipients of academic excellence.
Medals for academic excellence. XLRI Medal for Best All-Round Student in memory of Parinit Reddy is Rajat Paliwal. XLRI Medal for the Best All-Round Women Student in memory of Geeta Saxena is Pranali Batra. Outstanding FPM Student in memory of KVK Raju, Rajiv Ranjan Kumar. Highest CQPI in Human Resource Management in memory of John P. DeCosta, Rajat Paliwal. Second highest CQPI in Human Resource Management, Rahul Dubey. Highest CQPI in Business Management in memory of Ramavatar Chachra, Abhishek Chawla. Second highest CQPI in Business Management Program, Rajgopal Tripathi. Highest CQPI in General Management Program in memory of R.S. Pandey, Hena Handa. Highest CQPI in Business Management Evening Program 2018-21, Ashish Chandra Gupta. XLRI Medal for the Social Initiatives, Dipti Sikha Das, Kalyani Prakash Deshmukh, Subham Sinha, Srivastav Akash Bijay, Kanak Ramakrishna Kulkarni, and Sriya Agarwal. Congratulations to all medal winners.
Academics to administer the pledge to the graduating students.
I request all my faculty colleagues to please rise. On the recommendation of the faculty, the governing body is pleased to confer the Fellow in Management on 6 students, the 2-year postgraduate Diploma in Human Resource Management on 181 students, the 2-year postgraduate Diploma in Business Management on 178 students, the 15 months postgraduate Diploma in General Management on 101 students, the 3-year postgraduate Diploma in Business Management evening program on 40 students. Faculty members, please sit down. Graduating students, please rise for the pledge. Repeat after me as I read it.
We, the graduating students of XLRI, hereby pledge that
we, the graduating students of XLRI, hereby pledge that
empowered with knowledge, the quest for which shall never end, we aspire to be the responsible business leaders with integrity and honesty.
empowered with knowledge, the quest for which shall never end, we aspire to be responsible business leaders with integrity and honesty.
We endorse the principles of responsible and ethical management and endeavor to work towards shaping an inclusive and sustainable global economy.
We endorse the principles of responsible and ethical management and endeavor to work towards shaping an inclusive and sustainable global economy.
We will refrain from corruption, unfair competitions, or business practices harmful to society.
We will refrain from corruption, unfair competition, or business practices harmful to society.
As socially responsible citizens, we commit ourselves to bring about equity and fairness to our organizations and to the society at large.
As socially responsible citizens, we commit ourselves to bringing about equity and fairness to our organizations and to the society at large.
We pledge to uphold the values of XLRI and shall always strive to apply our knowledge for the betterment of our society and bring glory to our institute.
We pledge to uphold the values of XLRI and shall always strive to apply our knowledge for the betterment of our society and bring glory to our institute.
I request Dr. Ashish Pani, the Dean Academics, to present the names of the students who have successfully completed their programs.
Fellow in Management is given to 6 students. Arindam Saha, Arindranath Mishra, Brijendu Gupta, Samta Sarma, Praveen Kumar Chaudhary, Rajiv Ranjan Kumar. I will now present the rank holders of the postgraduate diploma in Human Resource Management in the merit list. Next of the students I will present in alphabetical order. First rank Rajat Paliwal. Second rank Rahul Dubey. Third rank Ranjan Goyal. Fourth rank Shivam Khandelwal. Fifth rank Vaibhav Vandari. Section A. A. Anusha. Akash Jaiswal. Adarsh Agarwal. Aditya Marchant. Aishwarya Jain. Ananya Lodha. Anusri Nahari Wade. Anvesha Chakrabarti. Archit Garg. Archita Varacharya. Arpit Gupta. Dibyan Das. Ekta Roy. Ishan Verma. Harshit Chaturvedi. Ishita Saxena. Kalyani Prakash Deshmukh. Kabya Gupta. Malika Hossain. Mishita. Noel Saji Paul. Pooja Sinha. Pradhan Jain. Pranali Batra. Pratyaksh Jain. Rahi Sharma. Ruchika Pathak. S.S. Ajhel. Sahil Singla. Saswat Kishore. Srinath Kanna Diwan. Shriya Srivastava. Smriti Garg. Somajit Sengupta. Sarvya Abula. Subham Sinha. Sujoy Mandal. T. Sai Srivastava Mani Rohit. Utkarsh Agarwal. Yash Gandhi. Akram Tariq Khan. Amarpreet Singh. Ankush Banchal. BNS Sai Karthik. Jasleen Madan. KSK Chautanya. Kumar Abhishek. Mehak Garg. Mohit Singh Chandal. Nisha Sharma. Pratik Patwari. Rajashree Sengupta. Rohit Subham. Saksam Solanki. Satyam Roy. Subham Vijay Kumar Jaswani. Vishnu Nair. Yogesh Sharma. Section B. Artika Dhameja. Akash Sharma. Akhay Patni. Akshita Mahesh Jain. Ananya Bob Abrol. Anshuman Mishra. Anushka Jain. Anvela Cheburu. Argyadip Mandal. Atmuri Datta Sai Haresh. Devapam Bandapadhyay. दीक्षा शर्मा, गंगेश्वर त्रिपाठी, जानवी सिंह, जॉयल वर्गीज जॉर्ज, ज्योत्सना जगन, कोमल प्रसाद, दीक्षिता वाई, मज सुराब, मानसी सिंह, महक चंदना, मोहिनी बिंदल, पल्लवी अजय, प्रगति जैन, प्रतम्या जोशी, प्रतीक प्रमोद, प्रवीण अग्रवाल, ऋषिका रंजन, रूपल रावत, सजल सक्सेना, सौरभ कुमार गांगुली, सरस्वत लूथरा, श्रेयांश डुगा, श्रुति विश्वजीत मुखर्जी, शुभम अग्रवाल, सोनाल गांधी, शुभश्री पी, सूरज महाजन, पूर्वा किशोर तेंदुलकर, उत्कर्ष मेहोत्रा, विष्णु शशिधरन, यश मुराक्का, अभिजीत केसवानी, आदित्य जुनेजा, अर्पण हरिकुमार, आस्था, बरखा, बुलूशु आशीष कुमार, रेखा सुसन क्रिडल, जे अभिनवरम, के विवेक वर्की, मृगांक शेखर पराशर, नॉर्मुला अखिल रेड्डी, साकेत, शिवानी सिंह, सौरभ कुमार नायक, सुदीप्त भट्टाचार्य, तुहिन रंजन देशगुप्ता, सेक्शन सी, अभिनव चक्रवर्ती, आदित्य कुलकर्णी आर, ऐश्वर्या बात्रा, अमन संजय, अमूल्य हुलीगोल, अंकित ठाकुर, अनुष्का जवारिका, अन्विता आनंद, अरविंदा चवाली, ऐत्र कुमार दत्ता, आस्त्रा श्री नेल्सन, आयन बंदोपाध्याय, हरिशंकर पी, कनक रामकृष्ण कुलकर्णी, कीर्तन रमेश दोषी, कार्तिका दोषी, माया नागेश्वर, मीना गुप्ता, मंगलू श्वेता, प्रज्ञान सिंह, प्रांजल गुप्ता, रामपे लक्ष्मी साई संजना, राशि पुरुषोत्तम गांधी, ऋषभ शर्मा, रिया संतोष, रूपम सिन्हा, साकेत श्रीवास्तव, सायतन घोष, शर्मा इलियास पटेल, संतनु महांती, शिवानी दीपक चौगलू, Shreya Agarwal, Shreyansh Tyagi, Sweta Sonal Mishra, Srija Chakrabarti, Srishti Sharma, Sujit Sukumaran Nair, Sweta Sesadri, Tanmay Anoin Nandi, Ujjwal Sinha, Bayam Agarwal, Yasika Garg, Arvind N, Dipankar Parekh, Dibya Gautam, Jaisimha Raghavan, Crepe Pranab Naidu, Marinidhi Sari Hatsa, Naman Gupta, Prabhakar Mani Tripathi, Pratik Singh, Rudra Mandal, Rutva Nayank Dev, Sarvas Sharma, Shivam Chandra, Srivastav Akash Vijay, Sweta Sanjay Jain, Somesh Tiwari, Sobik Atha, Yesh Jayant Naiknivare, Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management Program. I'll be presenting the first 5 rank holders in Business Management Program in order of merit. Next of the names will be in alphabetical order. Rank 1, Abhishek Chawla. Rank 2, Rajgopal Tripathi. Rank 3, Sagar Sahani. Rank 4, Nikita Gamvir. Rank 5, Satish Gupta. Section A, Abhishek Patel Pal, Aditya Sanket, Amber Lad, Ankit Kumar Singh, Ankush Kumar, Aston Leo, Chinmay Mundra, DVS Sudama Bathula, Diksha Singh, Harishankar S, Ivy Maji, Kodapuram Vamsi Krishna, Munungoti Anurag Sharma, Nikita Gulgule, Pranab J, Pooja Shankar, Ravi Shankar, Ritika Deshwal, Saransh Kejriwal, Sarmishta R. Someji, Saraswat Nandan, Shobjit Sharma, Shreya Valla, Tiwari Snehal Manish, Trivedi Tosa Niraj, Veni Gupta, Vishal Manamdrao Media, Vivista Upsati, Avina Prosti, Akshay, Anuja Rai, Arpit, Avinash Bhatt J, Dibya Jha, Dibyamani Tripathi, Gaurav Vijay Nair, Harsh Prasanpuria, Ishan Arora, Jan Jain, कृति चंद्रा, ललित तिवारी, निधि द्विवेदी, निखिल जिंदल, फरीक्षित गार्ग, राघव भाटिया, रामप्रयाण एसबी, ऋत्विक, रोहित रे, साहिल गुप्ता, संयुक्ता दंडपानी, सार्थक जलाली, शुभम भरद्वाज, स्नेहा बहाते, सोहम घोष, सौरभ शुभम, सुगंध, उत्सव मेहुल साहा, वासु सहगल, सेक्शन बी, आयुष गुलाटी, अभिषेक भट्ट, अभिषेक राठौर, अक्षय जोशी, अमित कुमार गार्ग, अंकित मल्लिक, अनुषा सिन्हा, अपूर्व जैन, आशीष गंगल, अथर्बा केदारवावे, आयुष रावत, देवमल्या बानिक चौधरी, देवेश अग्रवाल, दीप्ति शिखा दास, गुंजन कुमार वर्मा, हर्षित जैन, जादव चेतन भारत, कशिश गुप्ता, कुशाग्र अग्रवाल, मोहम्मद साद, निहारिका नाथ, निवेदिता सिंह, पद्मनाभ पंडित, राधिका गर्ग, राघव ग्रोवर, रागिनी मनोरंजन महापात्र, रोहन जुडे कोल्हो, रूचा शैलेश कलकर, साई फलिंद्र मुल्ला, सजल गार्ग, संचरी दास, सायन चैटर्जी, सरस्वत धर्माधिकारी, सोनक घोष, श्रृंखल सिकंठला महेश्वरी, श्रीरंग भारत कोटा, उमंग तराड, विनीत सिंह रावत, विशाखा गौतम, आकाश खत्री, एंटोनी जे शंकुरिकाल, चिरंतन समंत्रे, ईशान त्यागी, जुबिन शर्मा, कपिल सच्चा, ले अमरुभाई सोलंकी, एन निखिल जैन, प्रफुल्ल कबित्यल, राणा अंशुमन, रेवलरी दिलीप चंद्रा संतोष, रोशन ओसक भाई शाह, साजन सेठ, सौर्या शर्मा, श्रेष गर्ग, शुभम कपूर, शिल्पा पीएस, सुकुल बागी, बी संध्या, वत्सला पटेल, सेक्शन सी, अभिजीत ए, Aditya S. Kashyap, Anand Sunil Deshpande, Anshuman Pal Y, Ankur Goel, Anusri Ghosh, Apurva Rastogi, Arindam Sen, Atul Krishna A, D. Harish, Diptisri Chaudhary, Darya Amit Desai, Happy Kutraj, Jadab Nitish Prakash, K. Sai Chandra, Kesara Nagdeep Reddy, Krishna Agarwal, Lakshya Mahindrata, Mariske Venkata Tej Vaivab, Nalamili Sandeep Reddy, Pallab Devang Dinanath, Suriksha Gupta, Ranveer Singh, Resmi Sriram, Rohan Paliwal, Samridhi Vasistha, Sarthak Hanka, Saraswat Jha, Shaurya Sardana, Sasank Pandey, Suhasini Sharma, Swesh Sankilacha, Utkarsh Jain, Virag Sanjay Shah, Vasistha Upal, Akshat Kandelwal, Amardeep Singh Kalsi, Ashok George, Chandrasekharan T.R., Farkwan, Gayatri S., Kritij Ahuja, Mallika Jain, Mohit Maratha, Pranav Bhatt, Raghav Agarwal, Rishabh Lohia, Samar Singh Chauhan, Sayan Sen, Sagun Mathur, Shekhar Singh, Siddharth S. Nair, Simran Kathuria, Saurabh Radha, Sudhanshu Kumar Tatravi, Vansika Sharma, I will now present the rank holders of the 1-year General Management Program, 15-month General Management Program, 2019-20. First 5 will be in the order of merit. Next names will be in alphabetical order. Rank 1, Hena Handa. Rank 2, Suravi. Rank 3, Saini Panigrahe. Rank 4, Tanmay Chatterjee. Rank 5, Richa Agarwal. Section A, Ayush Agarwal, Avirup Bose, Aditi Sharma, Ambudesh Pareshwar, Amit Nayak, Anupam Dutt Shukla, Arvind M. Kannunur, Astha Jain, Ayush Jalan, Deepak Kumar Gupta, Diptabhanu Bakshi, Harsh Devinani, Himanshu R. Srivastava, Joshua Vani Samukta, Kuldeep Sama, Kumar Utkrist, Manisha Bhatia, Mauresh Dilip Pradhan, Naina Rastogi, Naman Taneja, Naveen Toplal, Nikhil Khurana, Pallavi, Pratap K, Prithviraj Pine, Rajat Ranjan, Rishi Shekhar Jha, Samiksha Sinha, Saritha T, Sasidharan Chandrasekhar, Saurabh Drolia, Shahid Akhtar, Silpi Shikha Sarangi, Sri Giri Raghavendra R, Sudhanshu Sekhar, Subhankar Dasgupta, Vinod Kumar K, Ankur Singh, Dipti Sharma, Gaurav Gopal Pandey, Hemnath Subramanian, K. Parth Prakash, Nishant Kumar, Rahul Kumar, Silki Mukherjee, Surabhi Jha, Taneya Sood, Section B, Ayush Garg, Abhishek Gupta, Abhishek Kumar, Aditya Prakash, Amit K.R. Jais, Anju Srivastava, Anubhav Srivastava, Anurag Pan, Asutosh Misra, B. Srikant, Devannu Mahapatra, Devkar Singh Kailash Singh Rajput, Deepanita Kundu, Gaurav Kumar, Harshit Nayal, Joginder Sangwan, Kumar Kamlesh, M. Manish Nair, Mahak Kapoor, Naveen Kandip, Naman Kohli, Nikhil Kumar Sahu, Pranay Tripathi, Prathamesh Dalavi, Punendra Aditya, Rahul Mishra, Rajdeep Gupta, Richa Kaur, Sakshi Mishra, Soumya Rastogi, Sa Rusal Mayur, Shruti P. Rao, Sumit Kashyap, Syed Muhammad Haidar Abbas Jaidi, Arumanga Salban D, Ayush Gupta, Arvind George, Kingshuk Sekhar, Sitish Srivastava, Naveen P. Fanchal, Rahul Vidainya, Roy Niharika, Sakib Raja, Sasank Vatnagar, Silpika Sukla, Shreya De, B. Pranay Chaudhary, Velalla Pramod, Vivek Kumar. I will now present the rank holders of the Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management Weekend Program 2018-21. First 5 names will be order up in the merit. First rank, Ashish Chandra Gupta. Second rank, Rohit Kumar. Rank 3, Samir Sagar Mishra. Rank 4, Deep Thakur. Rank 5, Mohammad Azim Asraf. Now all the names are in the alphabetical order. Abhishek Ranjan, Alok Kumar, Anirban Basu, Anurupa Samiyar, Chandan Kumar, Chandrima Das, Devanjan Ghosh, Gajendra Kumar Mahanto, Ghaneshyam Krishna, Indranil Datta, Jagjit Singh, Kunal Mehta, Kunal Narayan Khirde, Manish Singh, Manoj Kumar Jha, Mukesh Pandit, Nihar Ranjan Mandal, Nitesh Kumar Singh, P. Yogesh Kumar, Pranab Kumar Mishra, Rahul Kumar, Ranbir Singh, Rishi Raj, Samit Kumar Nandi, Sandeep Kumar Saha, Sanjeet Kumar, Sanjeev Kumar Misra, Sanjibendra Bharadwaj, Saptar Sri Som, Subhajit Roy, Subhasis De, Tuhin Chaudhary, Urvashi Kumari Chaudhary, Vikas Goyal, Ankit Kumar Vivek, Markandeya Shao. Congratulations to all graduating students. I request all people to applaud all the graduating students of 2021. Besides the candidate who are present here, there are others who have been found qualified for the award of the fellow or diploma, as the case may be, but could not be attend this convocation. I now request the chairman, Mr. T.V. Narendran, to confer on behalf of the Board of Governors of XLRI, the fellow in management, postgraduate diploma in human resource management, postgraduate diploma in general management, postgraduate diploma in business management evening program, as the case may be, on these candidates who are present or others who are absent in absentia.
By the authority vested in me as the chairman of the Board of Governors of XLRI, I award you the Fellow in Management, the 2-year postgraduate diploma in Human Resource Management, the 2-year postgraduate diploma in Business Management, the 15 months postgraduate diploma in General Management, and the 3-year postgraduate diploma in Business Management, as the case may be, and I charge that by thoughts, words, and deeds, you prove yourselves worthy of the award and of this institution.
Let us applaud the graduating batch of 2021. On behalf of XLRI community, I wish all the graduating students a successful and glorious career. Thank you.
May I now request Father Donald De Silva, the Dean Administration and Finance, to announce the recipients of the medals for long dedicated service and request our chairman, Mr. Narendran, to give away the medals. The recipients are requested to come on stage when their names are called.
Today we have 3 of our friends receiving medals for their 25 years of long dedicated service. Professor TAS Vijay Raghavan, Professor H.K. Pradhan, Mr. Bijoy Mahato, and we have 7 of our friends receiving medals for their 15 years of dedicated service. Professor Raju Misra, Professor Smitu Malhotra, Mr. Ardeep Singh Sidhu, Mr. Praveen K. Sandilya, Miss Binsi Vinod, and Mr. Devashish Kumar. So congratulations to you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the 65th annual convocation of XLRI is adjourned.
Please remain standing till the academic procession leaves the auditorium. Thank you.